Hi, this is Clarence from High Tech Speed, and I'm glad you tuned into this special episode. Today, we're going to actually be covering the Cloud Save It plugin, which is available in the free trial marketing credit store. Now, this plugin normally retails for about $37, but if you get it in the credit store, it will cost you far, far less. And you can purchase it with credits, and you can actually do referrals to the credit store in order to acquire this wonderful plugin. Now, today is special because of the fact that we actually have a guest presenter who is going to be demonstrating how to utilize this service. So please give your full attention to our guest presenter as they do the demonstration. And once again, welcome to another episode of High Tech Speed with Clarence.
Hi, thanks for checking out the Cloud Save It plugin for WordPress. Well, how would you like to let your visitors and your customers save any of your files that you give away or files that you sell to them, and let them save it directly into their Dropbox or their Google Drive? Well, this is exactly what the Cloud Saving plugin does. As you see here, what I have done is I have three different files that I have allowed people to save directly to Dropbox instead of downloading it directly onto their computer. So this is very handy and it works very simply. All they need to do is click Save to Dropbox if that's what they're using, and it will go ahead and grab the file and click Save, and it will save directly into my Dropbox. And if you look up here, it's already on my computer. Alternative is to save it to Google Drive, and I'll say save it to my drive. That's fine, and click Save, and it will start saving into my drive. And if I click on my drive right now, I'll see it right there. So let's check out how this plugin actually works. So we go to Dashboard right now. And once the plugin is installed, as I already have on this site, which is pretty obvious, all we need to do is go to Settings and click Cloud Save It. Now, there are a few things that you need to enter before the plugin can work. The first thing you will need to enter is your Dropbox key. This is very crucial because without it, it will not work. So what you need for a Dropbox key is a Dropbox account, and you can open a free account anytime. If you don't have one, you can just click that link. And if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. Obviously, I am logged in, so it will show me the screen here, and I want to make sure that I'm choosing Drop-ins app, and then I will give it a name. And all you need to do is just create app. Now I won't create it because I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's a way for me to delete apps, and I do not want to fill up my account with apps, but I can show you under my app console. Once you click the create app, it will give you a screen just like this, and it will give you a key. Now this is something that you want to copy and save it temporarily because that's you will need it here shortly. The other thing that you need to do is also to enter the domain name of the website you are using the plugin on. So you can go ahead and enter multiple ones. Like I already entered one here. I can go ahead and enter another one right here too, in case I want to use it on this domain, and then click add. So as many domains that you're going to use this plugin on, be sure to enter it into your app. And then once again, make sure we copy this and then go back to the settings and Dropbox key. We paste the key right in here. And if you use Amazon S3, you can go ahead and enter your access and your secret keys. Otherwise, you don't need to bother with these at all. If you do not want to offer the Google Drive save buttons, you just want to offer people the option to save to Dropbox, and that's it, then you can go ahead and check that button too. Otherwise, we can go ahead and save changes. And now we go to your post. You can create a new post or you can edit a post. So what I have here is I'm going to remove all these that I have created earlier, and I'm going to show you 3 different types of links that we can use with this plugin. Now, first one is a file from your website. The thing that we need to remember is when you're using Google Drive Save buttons, your files must originate from the same website. So in this case, I already uploaded a file that I want people to save. So it can be an image, it can be a PDF, it can be a zip, it can be anything. Right now, all I have are images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an image right here, and I'm not going to enter this into the post. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to highlight right here and copy this URL, because that's what I'm going to need, and I'm going to close this off. Or you can just simply go ahead and click upload a file right here. And for example, I'm going to upload something right now. Okay, so this is a PDF. All right, and I'm going to simply highlight the link here and copy that file. And I will place my cursor right here because that's where I want my button to appear. And next I'm going to click that blue cloud button and paste the URL which I just grabbed. Because this is my first button, I do not need to enter any number, and it's not an Amazon file, it's on my website, so I'm going to click OK. And that will enter the shortcode that is needed for the button to appear. Next file I'm going to show you is the Amazon unprotected file. This file is hosted on Amazon S3. So I'll do the same process, and I'm going to paste my Amazon file here. Make sure I got the right one. This is the URL to the file. And because this is my second button on the very same post, I'm going to enter it to here. And it's not an Amazon protected file, so I'm going to leave that unchecked and click OK. And lastly, I'm going to enter another file, which is an Amazon file as well, a file hosted on Amazon. However, the difference with this file is it is a protected file. That means if I go to the URL right now in my browser, it will not you won't be able to download it because it's protected. And because this is my third button, I'm going to enter 3. You only need to enter the button if you have multiple buttons on the same post. Otherwise, you do not need to enter this one. And I want to make sure that this is an Amazon S3 protected file and click OK. Then I'm going to update this post. And I'm going to view post. And just to show you what I meant by that file is protected by Amazon, if I go to a new tab here and I paste the URL of that file that I just added to the site and I click enter, it will tell me that this is denied because my file is protected. However, because this plugin works with protected files, right now, let me refresh this page just to make sure. I can go ahead and click save to Dropbox, the Amazon protected file. It will grab that and click save, and it will do what's needed to do, and there we go, save to Dropbox, and right here it is right there on my computer already. Now the other thing you might notice on this page as well is that the Google Drive buttons are not there. Well, that's because if you remember a moment ago, we have checked the box to disable Google Drive buttons. So that's very easily fixed. If that's what you want to offer, go back to your settings and uncheck that. And now if we go to posts, we go to view, and the Google Drive buttons come up now, and I can save this file to Google Drive. Of course, I've already saved this multiple times, so it will appear multiple times. But that's it. Simple, easy, and very effective. I hope you like it, and I hope you grab yourself a copy.